thanks for tuning in. On this week's video, we're back on the Barra C-line build. What I'm going to get stuck into first, I want to finish off the engine mounts. Yeah, they were only sort of half done to get everything happening, so I'm going to finish welding them out, clean the cross member up. Then I'm going to move my attention inside, again with the tunnel and the firewall. It was never finished, so I want to go ahead, finish welding that out, get it ground, get it cleaned up. Then once I'm happy with that, I want to go ahead, lift the cab off this thing. The tray may be coming off as well. I want to lift the cab off because the cab adapter rails were only half done, again like I say, to get the thing moving along. So want to get them fully welded out, ground down, smoothed out, and we'll see what we got time left for. We may be able to start stripping the chassis, not sure yet, but see what time permits. So yeah, grab your cuppa or your coldie, kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alrighty, so like I was saying earlier, I want to get these engine mounts done first. So I'm going to use a combination of the grinder, die grinder, whatever I need. Get this area all cleaned up. Once I'm happy with how it's cleaned up, I've got some scrap bits of steel here. Fill in where I need to fill in to make it more structural. Clean it all up. Yeah, once I'm done with that, move on to the next job. But for now, engine mount side. The old PPE. Yeah, so as you can see, I spent a fair bit of time off camera there, cleaned up all the area. Then I went ahead, got the template made for these little fill-in plates, got them cut out, cleaned them up, got them tacked in. So now I want to go ahead, weld those out, clean it up, and then yeah, once that job's done, we'll move our attention to the firewall, get that tunnel done. Rightio, so that's the engine mount sorted out. As you can see, all cleaned up, sanded up. I've got some easy frost on it so it won't rust. So like I said, we're going to move on from that. Going to get the stripping disc on the grinder, clean up these floor pans. As you can see, the daylight through them. I'm going to see if I can just repair the spots, if it's more time efficient to do that, or yeah, cut the floor pans out. I really don't want to do that. And like I say, get this tunnel and firewall finished up, so I'm just going to bare metal where I've got to weld to those, and yeah, let's get into it, get some welding done. So as you can see, I went ahead and yeah, cleaned up the floor best I can. It's looking pretty average, but like I say, I'm gonna see what we can do. If you have to cut big bits out of the floor, we will, but we'll just see what we can do for now. And I've cleaned up all the areas where I got to weld in that tunnel and the firewall. So like I say, I'll get stuck into that. I'll probably MIG weld the majority of it, I'm thinking, but the edges where it's nice and neat, I might bust out the TIG and do that so it's less cleanup in the end. So like I say, I'll bust out the welder, clean him up and see what we're working with, eh? Rightio, so it was going along, and then yeah, the old MIG decided to run out of wire, but got most of the MIG welding I want done for now. Like I said, I'll have to go and get a reel, but that won't be happening today. So I thought, oh, I'll bust out the TIG, do the spots where I was going to TIG anyway, get that done, and then yeah, we might see if we can lift this cab off to start on those adapter mounts, eh? So I got the rest of that welding done. I just went ahead and yeah, tigged it all up, so that's done. I haven't yeah, sanded or ground any of it back to smooth it out, but basically all that's done for now. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put the front wheels back on this thing, get it on the ground, and yeah, I might lift this cab off and get those adapter rails out so I can yeah, prep them up, hopefully try and yeah, get them welded out and see what else we can get into, eh? Rightio, so as you can see, you got that cab off there. Gonna go ahead and yeah, like I said, the TIG's the only thing that'll work, and I've got no run out of MIG wire, so gonna go ahead, use the TIG, and yeah, start tigging up the chassis adapter rails, and yeah, once we got that done, I've got to separate that rear section. Actually, I'll never end up trimming that off. So once this is all welded up, I've got to cut that center section out of there. And as you can see, this is where the tray actually lands on the adapter rail. So I've got to either pull the tray off or sort of lift it up and support it to get the adapter rails out to finish them off. But I want to end up painting this chassis anyway. I want to get it cleaned up and painted, so everything's probably going to come off it anyway. So, but for the moment, like I say, I'll bust the TIG out and yeah, see what welds I can get done before knocking off. Right, yeah, so as you just seen before, I've got those welds done on the top there. I'll pull this off tomorrow, flip it over, and sort of be in a bit better position to do the welding instead of trying to do it, you know, verti up or overhead and stuff. No need for that, I'll just pull them off. But as you can see, yeah, she's going a bit dark, so yeah, we'll shut it down for today, get in tomorrow. Rightio, legends, so it's the next day, and plan is straight up, got to get a jigsaw outside. I want to get the cab sat on that dolly over there, so I've got to clear some of the crap off it, get the cab sitting over there. Want to lift the tray up off the chassis because the tray mounts to chassis rail adapters. So once I get that tray lifted off, I can take the chassis rail adapters and be able to move them around, sort of make the welding a bit more ergonomic, make it easy for me to yeah, get all that done. And once I get that done, get them cleaned up, and yeah, see what we can get into next though. Rightio, so I got the tray off this thing. Gonna go ahead and unbolt the mounts for the adapter rails. Then I'll go ahead and clean up the areas where I need to weld. Then once that's all done, I'll start setting it up and yeah, getting in all the different positions to make all the welding easier for me. So yeah, let's get this thing unbolted, cleaned up, and get to welding. Rightio, so let's get these adapter rails undone. Shouldn't be too tight. Just sitting here. Yeah, just give you all a bit of an update with Jigsaw. Obviously, yeah, Jigsaw's back together. Took him to Motor Madness. He did some really nice skids. It was good. Everyone loved it. So yeah, it was good. Good to get him back together. Would have been a bit of a shame for not able to go to Motor Madness. Not just for myself, but yeah, a lot of people love seeing it out there. So yeah, let us know in the comments if any of you blokes or ladies yeah, saw Jigsaw out there, and let us know what you think about him. Always brings a smile to a lot of people's faces. Bit of a different truck. And let us know what else you're keen to see coming up in the channel. Obviously we've got Hacksaw going on, but got a few other builds lined up. The Detroit Diesel being one of them. Oh, extra bolt in there. Yeah, let us know what you're keen to see or any ideas on some of the other projects. Love to hear from you. Anyway, let's rip into this thing, get it apart, so we can get some welding done. Rightio, so I got all the TIG welding done on this adapter rail. Really happy with how the welds turned out. Like I said, I had to TIG everything because the MIG run out of wire, as it does. But yeah, like I said, really happy with all the TIG welding I got done. Just a reminder, everyone, if you want to save some money on any of your TIG stuff, go to the guys at HD Welding Supplies. Use BAM10 at checkout. Save yourself 10% off. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video, everyone. Got done what I wanted to get done. Tune in for the next video where I'm going to get this chassis stripped, going to get all suspension off it, get it painted, and yeah, rebuild all the suspension, get it back rolling again. That should be a banger of a video. So yeah, as always, everyone, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. You do us a favor, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.